farm. I'm gonna feed my animals. Well, they're really much just horses, but I'm gonna feed him hay. You want hay? Do you want any hay? You don't want hay? I'm gonna go feed my baby. They're all drinking water. They're not eating hay, so I'm gonna see if they want any hay. Walking down my river. It's not a river. It feels like one, it's a long walk. How's your hay? It didn't rain on you. It's not in the box though. I'm gonna go look more. It's right here. Oh, land. It doesn't feel okay. I'm gonna get some more hay. Just don't choke, bunny. Don't choke. I think I'm gonna walk it back to my brother. I'm really not scared of none of them. They're not gonna bite. Guys, we have, that's our smallest one right there. Daddy, that's our he said it's so good. You're gonna run. He saw that? He said, oh, it's so good. Can I get some of your hay? Do you think I can borrow some? You pulled the bucket away from me. I'm a little scared to take some of the hay while they're eating a little sometimes. I'm gonna gotta hurry. I'm scared, yo. I can get some hay. I can't. Can you turn the basket around? Look at it.
Show him what? What did that say for?
I only got a little.
Like this one?
You gotta pull it while he's not looking, right? I'm trying to put it back there. Let's go feed him hay. They won't bite you. You want hay? Okay, so he doesn't want hay. Where's my other baby at? He wasn't here. Where'd he go? Kingston!
What?
You want to go behind and feed that white one? Like his twin?
You can go.
I'm coming. You're not coming? Okay. I'm gonna have something in my... Guys, this is our farm. We grow everything else over there. We have some horses over there. Guys, this is our farm.
Oh, wow.
Mommy said that video.
About wine?